Hey guys, this is Harshala. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be like a review kind of a video wherein I'm going to be talking to you guys about this newly launched product by Garnier. Is their Garnier Vitamin C 30x booster serum. This is how the product looks like. Now I have been using this product for quite some time now, and I do have few things to talk to you guys about it, and if that's something that interests you, then please keep on watching. Let's talk about packaging. So this is how the bottle looks like. It's really nice glass sturdy bottle. It's also transparent, so you can see how much product is left, which I personally really like in my skincare products because I don't keep up with my skincare game that well. When I see my product getting over, it's like a little pat on my back, like, oh, good job that you have been keeping up, and I really like that feeling. It also comes with a dropper, which I really like. I mean, I really like when brands give you a dropper because it's extremely hygienic and extremely easy to use. So you basically just take it, drop the product on your palm, and there you have it. Extremely easy to use. It also retails for about 449 rupees for a 30 ml bottle, which in my opinion is the most affordable. Let's talk about ingredients. As this is a vitamin C serum, the main ingredient is obviously vitamin C, but it also has yuzu lemon in it. Now if you know, vitamin C is like extremely good for your skin. It takes care of your acne scars, dark spots, hyperpigmentation. I mean, it does get rid of it slowly but steadily. It does. It also helps in fighting free radicals. It also protects your skin from harsh UV rays that come from the sun. So it has a lot of benefits, and if you haven't included a vitamin C serum in your skincare, I mean, what are you doing? You really have to include it. Talking about the formula, I absolutely love the formula. It's extremely lightweight and your skin absorbs it very quickly, which I really like. Like, it's psychological, but whenever my skin absorbs a particular product, I feel like it really is doing something to my skin, and my skin is like getting all the goodness from the product. The formula is also non-sticky and non-greasy, so if you are someone who has oily skin, you can also try this product. It's not going to leave your skin feeling oily. Like, I do have dry skin, and this has been working really well. Now the product claims that it gives you instant glow and also reduces dark spots. Now I use this in my vlog which I recently posted, and you guys asked me what did I use on my face and why my face has been glowing so much. This is your answer. The moment you apply this, you will see an instant glow on your face. And if you talk about reducing scars and reducing dark spots, now as I told you guys that I have been stress breaking out, and it has left like dark spots on my face. This has been working really well with my dark spots. Like, it does have lightened them a bit. Quickly showing you guys how I use this product. Now I have freshly washed my face, and I also use Garnier's micellar water to kind of get rid of any gunk or any extra dirt that I may be having on my face. So now I'm just going to take the product on my palm. You don't need a lot of product, like little goes a long way. And then just spread it across my palm a little bit, and then dab it on my face like so. So as you can see, and I'm pretty sure you can also tell, or maybe I'm not too sure if you can tell on the camera or no, but my skin does have that instant glow, and also my skin feels extremely hydrated and really moisturized. So yeah, I really like that. Another thing that I really like about this product is the smell. It's not at all overpowering, and I know that it should be mentioned since a lot of you guys may have like a sensitive nose, but this is amazing. Like, it smells really nice, and the product that I applied on my face has been like completely absorbed into my skin, and there's no sticky feeling whatsoever. So I really like that. So if you ask me, I think this is a very nice product and you should definitely go for it. I personally have been using it twice a day. After I come out of the shower and before I go to the bed, and as you can see, I have used quite a bit of it. So I have been loving this product, and I think Garnier honestly have done an amazing job, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys will really like this product. I think it is a very nice product, and for 449 rupees, I mean, it's extremely affordable. You can buy this product from Flipkart, but I'll still leave all the links in the description bar below, so if you want, go ahead and check that out. Now for the fun part, I'm also hosting a little giveaway with Garnier, wherein I'll be giving away sample sachets to first 10 people to comment down below and tell me why would you like to try Garnier's Vitamin C Serum, and I hope that this video gave you some insight. If it did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to to the channel if you haven't already. Like, it would mean the world to me, so please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.